Hey guys, just Colton here again from CartoCanada. We have some super exciting news. We will be joined by AltoHelix in our upcoming Carto Tours East Coast edition. AltoHelix is going to be bringing a whack of expertise as well as some product with them. I'll leave it to Joey here to explain a little bit more though.
Hi everyone, my name is Joey DeTaro. I'm the Vice President of Operations for AltoHelix. I'm also here to announce that we've officially partnered with CartoCanada and GeoSlam. At AltoHelix since 2016, our main goal has been to bridge the gap between traditional aviation and unmanned aviation. We specialize in drone certification for Transport Canada, as well as doing additional training for specific drone use cases. Whether you want to use your drone to use for LiDAR services or photogrammetry, we have a solution to help you. During this demo trip, you can come stop by and talk to us anything about the M300, as I'll actually be out there flying it with the GeoSlam attached. Any questions that you may have about drone certifications, different use cases, or just drone technology in general, feel free to stop by.
So again, guys, we're super excited to have AltoHelix taking some time out, being able to join us on this great tour. With the overwhelming feedback, we just thought we'd add another component to this and bring a little bit more to the table for you guys. So again, thanks in advance to AltoHelix for jumping on, GeoSlam for being involved so much in all this, and we look forward to seeing you guys real soon when Carto tours Canada.